Years from now, you'll remember this day. This is a day that kickstarted the new age of trucking in North America. This is the way we're paving future to zero emissions world.
Arizona is globally recognized as a hub for emerging technologies and advanced manufacturing. The state has long been a destination for innovators looking to develop, test, and launch their ideas. Nikola has been and continues to be an instrumental part of the clean energy sector in Arizona and beyond.
But we're a company that has the potential to decarbonize a previously hard-to-abate sector and change an entire industry as we know it.
This is history in the making here as we speak. This is what defines us: resiliency, daring, pragmatism, ingenuity, and passion to transform the trucking industry, Steve.